Okay, we are ready for math today on Wednesday, April the 29th. And if you look at the top of the page, you'll see that today we are going on to division. We have been talking about multiplying decimals, and now we are dividing division, decimal by a one-digit divisor. So this is page 307 in your book, page 307. And this is pretty simple because you know how to divide. And really, the only rule you need for dividing by decimals is to bring that decimal straight up. That's really it. You're going to bring that decimal straight up and divide like normal. That's it. Okay, so let's make sure you remember how to divide. We're going to do a few of these together, and then I'm going to let you work because I know you can do it. Okay? So 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We have 0 left over there, so we bring down that 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. Now, as a little bit of a hint, you should not have any remainders. No remainders on this page. So if you have a remainder in your division, you need to go back and check again. Okay, so now what I have not done here, and which means my answer is not finished, is my decimal is still down here. Now, if I am dividing 6 4/10 by 2, my answer can't be 32, can it? So by understanding what I'm doing, that's going to split that in half. So the 6 gets split in half, the 4 gets split in half. My answer is 3 2/10. Wanted to see if I can make it a little bit thinner. Okay, let's do number 2. So 4 goes into 8 twice. You put that 8 under there. You know that it goes to 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 goes into, and if I don't want to forget, I can bring my decimal up right now. 4 goes into 4 one time. So I should have brought my 4 down. 4 goes into 4 once. So I put the 4 under there and subtract. Okay. You're going to continue to do that with the rest of these on top. Okay. It's that simple. And there's not going to be any remainders, like I said before. Okay. Now, below, it's the same thing. They added a digit for you here. So instead of 4 can't go into 2, so we're going to say 4 goes into 21 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. We're going to subtract and bring down that 1. Now we're going to bring down the 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. We're going to be sure to put that decimal there. 4 times 4 is 16. Again, no remainder. And we got it. Now, does that make sense? Can 21 split up into 4 pieces be 5? Yes, and if 21 had a little bit more pieces, then there would be a part left there. Okay, so 8 cannot go into 7, but 8 goes into 74 9 times. We're going to put a 72 there. We're going to subtract. 74 minus 72 is 2. We bring down the 4. 8 goes into 24. I'm going to put my decimal. 8 goes into 24 3 times. And woo, we have no remainder. Right? Okay, so keep up just that way. So you divide normally, bring up the decimal when you need to. Here, your 2 is going to go into your 4, right? Good. And then here, your 4 can't go into 3, so it's going to go into the 37. And on 10, 7 can't go into 1, so it's going to go into 16. Your word problem down here at the bottom says Mrs. Stevenson ordered new jackets by mail for her 3 sons. The total weight of the contents of the package was 8 4/10 pounds. If each jacket weighed the same, how much did one jacket weigh? So we're dividing, right? So the total package was 8 4/10. She has a jacket for each. So we're going to divide 8 4/10 by 3. And I want you to do that right now. And then you will go to the back and see 4 more word problems there that are very similar. This one is dividing also. This one is division. Mariah spent $6.72 on beads to make 6 identical bracelets. How much did it cost to make each bracelet? So this is division, and you will get an answer here. Now look at 15. This is related here to this one. Mariah decided she wanted 10 identical bracelets. How much would it cost her to make 6 more? So if this was the cost, the answer that you got previously would be the cost. You're going to take that answer and multiply it times 4 because she wants to make 4 more. And this, what you found, was the individual price. Okay? Divide, 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 divide. Same as we practiced on front. Complete the table. Pay attention. Division, so divide just like we did. And you may not even need to write these out. You may be able to follow these in your head pretty well. This does not say divide. What does it say? Multiply. And this says multiply. So just like we practiced yesterday, you're going to multiply those and figure out where your decimal goes. And then we have 2 more word problems here. Mrs. Stegall ran a half marathon, which is 29 9/900 kilometers. There are water stops every 5 kilometers. How many water stops are on the course? Okay, so I am going to split this large number into every 5 kilometers. Now, your answer will have some part to it, but you only see how many water stops are on the course. You're only going to answer with the whole number. Okay, for example, 5 goes into 29 5 times. Okay, but there is a little bit left over. Does it matter? No, because there is a water stop every 5 kilometers. So that means it doesn't matter what this part here is. The answer is going to be 5. There are 5 water stops. If 1 lap around a track is 2,500 miles, how far is 4 laps around the track? Now look here. What does this look like? Put a dollar sign in front of that. What is that? 25 cents. 25 cents is a quarter. How much is 4 quarters? $1. So 4 laps around a track is not $1, but it's going to be 1 mile. Okay, you have to think in the way that works best for you. Okay, I hope you sailed through that and you are going to do fabulously. Pick a number that we did not do together. Tell me that number below and give me the answer. So you can put 16 and then give me the answer to 16 or whatever number that you pick. Pick one and don't repeat what someone else says before you.